Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, my gardening channel. And in this video I want to show you one of my all-time favourite indoor plants. Well, I say it's an indoor plant, but in the summer months I do put it outside because it does love to grab a bit of sunshine. There it is, look, a jade plant. Beautiful, isn't it?
Crassula ovata, penny tree, money tree, jade plant, whatever you call it. It's magnificent. I do love this plant, and every year, about this time of the year, it flowers. It's all frothy, white, tiny little flowers. Wonderful. Anyway, getting to the point, I've had this plant for over 30 years now, and I've got to say for probably 20 years it didn't flower, but now it does. It never lets me down. It hardly takes any water. I like to put it out a little bit in the summer if I can. It's so easy to grow, and little bits drop off, even a leaf. And if a leaf drops off, like you can see in the bottom there by this beautiful thick trunk, that the leaves grow on their own really easily. And I've given these plants away to friends and family all over. And they grow, look at that beautiful flower. So small on such a big plant. This plant is as big as me now. Anyway, don't forget, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I've got loads of videos now. Some are interesting, some are not, I suppose, but it depends what you're after. Now, if you're after this indoor plant, check this out. Really easy to grow. Anyway, it's bye from me, Rog. Bye from my lovely penny tree. And bye from my garden, yeah. And I'll see you all again next time. Take care.